So hey everyone, in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can apply the reverb effect to the audio clip using Audacity software. So all you need to do is just simply first import that particular media clip on the Audacity. Now for example, I have imported this media file in the Audacity and I want to apply this effect. So first of all, I simply hit Ctrl plus A on my keyboard so that all the area has been selected. Now go to this option of effects over this top window, and when you go over there you need to find this option of delay and reverb. When you click over there, you're gonna find this option of reverb. Just simply tap it over there, and from here you can make changes to the values. You're gonna find a lot of settings over there and hit apply. Now when you hit there, it will take a little process, and that particular effect has been going to be applying on your all media file. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.